Charts looking spooky, candles doing witchcraft. Nasdaq waving at me, specter in the riffraff. Gold got the treasure buried deep like a tomb. Market makers lurking, shadows in the dark room. Fear of liquidation got me sweating nightly chills. Margin calls echo like echoes in the hills. Screens glow, eerie numbers on a dark stage. I'm trying to make a living, break out of this cage. Trades by slate, hard in the tickers. Every move precise like nighttime tricksters. Wind stack tall amidst the twilight fade. Trades by slate, ghostly serenade. Watch them candles bleed like fangs in the mist. Intraday terror, every trade's a twist. Market ghouls whisper, trying to snatch my soul, but I'm steady on the grind, pockets full of gold. Creeping through the charts, shadows in disguise. Haunted by the graphs, fear in my eyes. Every trade a thriller, heart beats, quick pace. Victory in sight, I ain't falling from grace. Trades by slate, hard in the tickers. Every move precise like nighttime tricksters. Wind stack tall amidst the twilight fade. Trades by slate, ghostly serenade.
Yo, what's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up, Danny boy? How's it going, buddy? What's up? What is up, Danny boy? Doing good, man. Just woke up, about to try to check out these charts, catch a trade. You know, can't complain here. What's up, Adam? What's up? What's up, Mazman? What's going on, brother? What's up, brother? This thing has just been dumping, huh? We've got us a little dump. We've had us a dump session. Just had us a good old dump session here. What's up, Beyond Tomorrow? How's it going? Welcome. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. This is just crazy, crazy here, huh? The dump session we're having. Brother, for Apex, 30% consistency is from the total profit, which is 3K, and that will be $900 per day. Um, I think it's like what you make per day. So like one day can't be over $900, something like that. I'm scared to do everything right now. This price action is crazy. I don't know what to do. I'm just sitting here gonna watch for right now. I mean, I can just keep on drawing these lines because it keeps on getting steeper and steeper. I want to have a fan here in a minute. Look at how I can draw these lines and just fan it out. Just fan it down. Look at that. Just breaking out of this thing here. Look at the fan though. Look at all the lines here, brother. Hmm. What's everybody trading this morning? What are you guys doing trading wise? I don't know what's gonna happen here. Hmm. Coming up here. Let's see what happens here. Shooting star on the weekly, they say. See what happens here. Coming down. Got a little upward line here. Overall trend is down. If it breaks down below this line here, may start looking for a short. Even though it is already super low. Come look at this on the daily. Where are we at on the daily here? Hmm. You guys think it's gonna come back down here? You're looking for a short, Mazman? Looky here. Coming back up. Mazman's very bearish. Very bearish. If it closes above this 3-minute gap here, might look nice for the longs. Up a little bit. But it's not going to do it on this candle. That's a fact. See this right here? Got the London open here in 30 minutes. 344 or 355 to go short. Yeah, I'm thinking coming up here somewhere. Maybe tap this gap right here. Got a new line forming here. Here it comes. Going up. Going up here. Minute and 30 seconds. Closes over here. Probably coming up a little bit. Closed above this 3-minute gap. Probably come up to this gap here. Happy Halloween, guys. It's Halloween. Look at it coming down here now. Wowzers. Wowzers. I got too many lines here, man. I'm gonna delete some of these lines. I haven't watched the video. I gotta watch that video. I don't know how to use it. Coffee. I gotta watch the video. I don't know how to use it. And I haven't watched the video yet. Let's look at it. Yeah, I haven't watched this video yet, so I don't really know what's going on. But Coffee Killer made this indicator here. It looks pretty sick. Not gonna lie, I have to watch the video and learn how to use it. What's up, No? Happy Halloween, Parissa. Parissa the Trader. Happy Halloween. Let's see, let's draw this up on the 5 minute here. I appreciate it, Parissa. Yeah, trying to make it look nice in here. Got the lights. Got the lights shining up the room. What's gold doing? Look at gold. Oh boy. Oh boy. We got some work to do on these accounts. I bought four more Tradeify accounts yesterday and hit the daily loss limit. So we got some work to do on those. Got these accounts here ready for payout tomorrow. I'm gonna request them tonight. No, tomorrow at 9 a.m. Gonna request a payout on these. But on these, hit daily loss limit yesterday, so we got some work to do on those. I don't know, gonna try to get 2,000 a day on those is the plan. Is the plan. Not gonna take those slow. I'm gonna push them. Serious trader. You know what'd be a good profile pic for you? I can just serious trader would be like have the Joker, you know, from like Why So Serious? That'd be a sick profile picture. Why so serious? That'd be a sick profile picture. Let's see what's gonna happen here. I'm kind of grinding up here. I want to see the grind up and then the dump down. I want to see the grind up and then the dump it down. Might have to come up here first, but it might just dump it. Dumping it here wouldn't be a bad thing. We got this line here coming down. If we enter here, we can have a stop loss up above here. Parissa's trading the NQ right now. What are you in, long or short, Parissa? Give us the sauce. Give us the sauce. What are you in? What are you in, Parissa? Go ahead and delete this. Let me make a new line right here on gold. We got the gold right there. Save that. Come over here to the NQ. Breaking above this downward line here. Parissa short. Parissa is short. We got the London Open here and coming up in 18 minutes. Uh-oh. It might start coming down now. Fake. It's been doing a lot of fake outs. Fake to the upside. Now it looks like it's coming down. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Might be breaking downward here. Kind of a lower high. Here it comes. Breaking down. Or is it just making a little range right here? Looks like it might just be coming down. All right, I'm trying the short. See what happens. Looks like we got in at the worst time. Chris is out of the trade. We're going to give it a try. We're going to give it a try here. Hope it comes down. Gonna delete that line. Coming down here now, boys. Let's make a new line here. We started coming down. It started to come down. Might just be entering a range here. Let's take a look over here. Starting to come down. Starting to come down. 8, 900. Oh no, we were down to 900. 7, ah. 800. 900. 960, 935, 960, 900. We saw 1,000. I'm flattening it. I'm out of there. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Out of there. Let's go. We're back. Working these accounts back up. We got 946 back on the accounts today. I could have held it longer, but I didn't want to. I wanted to take my clean exit there. I liked the number I saw, but it looks like it's going to continue down here. It got close to 1,000 and I got out of there. We waited on our perfect entry and we got it. I feel like that was a great entry. Look at it coming down. Wow. Wowzers. Could have held it until it broke this downward LOC line here. Oh yeah, Parissa. I'm starting to understand here. So this is what I'm starting to do now. So we're in a downtrend. It made this kind of started to go up, and we're already in a downtrend. So when it breaks this little short-term uptrend, it's got a good chance to continue down. So that's what I'm liking now. Finding the overall direction and then basing my trades on the overall direction. So the overall direction's down. Overall direction's down, and then it started coming up here. When it broke that, entered short. Could have done the same thing here. Started coming up here. When it broke that, short. Stuff like that right here. Overall direction was down, started coming up. When it broke it, short. That's what I'm starting to realize. That's the kind of trades I'm liking to take. Look, it's gonna come down all the way down here. Heck yeah, dude. You could have stayed in that one for a nice. I got this My Funded Futures milestone account here. I'm trading as well. I just wanted to give it a try. Today we made 210 on that trade. Counts up to 25,522. And then over here on these, we made 946. Made back a little bit of yesterday's loss. Yeah, coffee. Following the trend. That's what I'm doing. Following the trend, but finding the right time to enter. Basically. Following the trend, buddy. That's what I'm starting to do. The trend is going to be my friend from now on. Let me, all right, let me come over here. Call out this trade here. Entered on break of exited on exit because money target was hit. Good. Boom. Download that image and boom, there's our, oh, hang on. Whatever, I'll just leave it like that. Bada bing, bada boom. There's fireworks going off outside my window. I guess the Dodgers won the game. Yes, they did. It was a good game. The Yankees started off hot. They had a big old lead. Then one inning, they had like 3 errors in the same inning, and the Dodgers tied it up. The Yankees had 3 errors in one inning. So the Dodgers came back and tied it up. And then they ended up winning. Freddie Freeman got the MVP. That's Atlanta. That's my team there. Freddie Freeman. Let's go. Freddie Freeman. Yeah, it's crazy. I don't know. But how can you script baseball? Like, you can't script hitting a 95-mile-per-hour fastball. Like, I mean, I don't know. I don't know how you can. I guess they could script maybe winning, like maybe with the errors, but you can't script the hits because had It was actually like the dude was throwing like 100. How do you script hitting 100 mile per hour fastball? You know? Let's see what gold's doing. Oh, look at here. Gold did the same thing, broke out of here, starting to come down now. Gold broke out of this little upward, starting to come down. I'm looking at the YM here, did the same thing basically, coming down. I got so many lines here on the chart. I just got so many lines. Oh, it's coming up now. Load the super chat. Got it right here. Set resolution to 5 minutes. Check the box to use the custom resolution. You're done. Load the super trend. Set resolution to 5 minutes. Custom. All right. There it is. It's on there, buddy. There it is. Now I'm gonna have to change my line colors though, because the lines match. Maybe I can change these colors. I might change your colors because they match my they match my LOC lines. Oh yeah, I see it, buddy. We got this one right here. Came down, made this line, then it came right back down. Tapped that area. Oh yeah, I see it. Then this previous one, it kind of acted as a resistance over here. Resistance right there. Kind of broke through a little bit, came down, then broke through it. But then right here, acting as resistance on that one. Oh yeah, you see it. No, you're the smart man. How do you code something like this? Could never. You have to be smart to code like that. We got 1 minute till the open. Let's see what happens here. Let's see how the open does. 30 seconds. 30 seconds till the open. Is it going to start coming up now? Is it going to break out of this downward LOC and start to come on up? All the All the prop firm sales are ending today. They all got their Halloween sales. They're not gonna get me, buddy. I spent too much money yesterday just to hit the daily loss limit on 4 accounts. I'm not buying anymore today. But if I didn't have any accounts, I'd definitely buy some. But I'm just gonna try to milk these accounts here. My new plan is to milk these until I can't. Started funding a live account. I started funding a live account. Whenever I get enough money in there, I'm gonna trade like 1 or 2 micros in there just to start practicing with the live. Nothing crazy. Gonna try to make like $50 a day in there to start off. Just to practice in a live account, see how I do, see if I have any blow up days on the live. I'm gonna try not to have any blow up days. Here we are, just ranging around here. Just tapped off this downward line. It's gonna start coming down now. It's tapping off the downward line, and now it's breaking out of Coffee's range tool here. Coffee's trend tool, super trend. Now, if it goes through those lines, you know pure momentum did it, and we break to new area, then look at past areas for support and resistance for trap buyers or sellers. Heck yeah. It's breaking out of there. Hey guys, Coffee made this super trend tool. It's look at it. So it prints out these lines right here, and it's using these lines as support and resistance. The green lines are support, red is resistance. And then, correct me if I'm wrong, but you can also use the past supports here as resistance, I think. Looks like it's working. Breaking out of there though. Can it break out of this one? I got one right here and then one right here. There it goes. Breaking out of there. This was a great trade here. Yes, sir, Coffee. This is a cool tool for real. Now that you taught me, I need to still watch that video though to fully understand. But yeah, I'm liking it. Look at this, man. Look at this trade. That's a good trade there, boy. I'm gonna tell you that right now. That's a good trade. Bada bing. Stay in till it breaks this line. It never broke the line. Boom, coming down. Boom. Boom. Coming down. Oh, man, coming down. Woo. Woo, this thing coming down. Woo. Let's see if I can show you. I had my drawings here. I hide my drawings, and well, I have it set on custom, so it won't look right, I don't think. I've got to set them. Maybe if I take off the custom. I've got it set on custom right now. But here's one right here. Looks like a good one. Came down right here, started to bounce off of it upward. Then right here it made a line, and as you can see, broke down below and came down. Printed a line right here. When it broke down, it started coming down here. Printed this line here. Printed this one here. When it broke down out of that one, been coming down. Same here, broke down out of that one, came down. Now it's breaking out of this one. Is it going to keep on coming down? We'll see. All right. It just came up, tapped our line again. It's starting to make wicks above it now. If you're an ICT person, just made an inversion right here. Inversion and breaking out of the downward line, looking good to come up, I'd say. At least till here. We'll see though if that works out. Inverse this right here, breaking out. See if that plays out. Yeah, that's a cool tool. Coffee made it. Oh yeah. Best sleep you ever got. I can't watch those videos, man. I ain't gonna lie. I see, look, there it goes. It is. This is the only thing I ever learned, and I didn't even learn it from an ICT video. I learned it from Dodgy. I can't watch ICT's videos, man. They're like an hour long, and most of the time he's not even teaching. He's just showing off his fake gains in the fake account. %50 plus minutes of what can be said. All right, coffee. Nice. I'm gonna study this more. It's pretty cool, man. I'm not gonna lie. Pretty cool indicator here. Especially, I feel like it works great when it's in the trend. See, like it's trending down. It's trending down. So it probably works great in consolidation too, because it prints these support and resistance levels. You can play it off the bounces. All right. Is it gonna fake out to the upside here? We're in a strong downtrend, not gonna lie. Look at this though. The line I printed. The line I drew out. It bounced right off of that. Bounced right off my line there. Do we have a new line is the real question here. Looks like we got a new line. Now, can delete that because ICT sucks. Delete that line. I don't know, man. I got too many lines here. It's messing with my noggin. All these lines here messing with my noggin. I'm gonna delete them. I'm gonna delete all these lines here. Mess with my noggin. I'll leave these lines. These are the only lines I'll leave on the chart here. Yeah, I mean, those lines were relevant, but I don't like the chart looking that dirty. That was a dirty looking chart. We'll just use these shorter term lines here because we're not long term. Six Flags over the stock market. Yeah, those lines would be relevant, but I trade so short term that they don't really matter, you know. Yeah. Let me go send this daily Bible verse in the Discord over here. Can't forget that. We're on a 74-day hot streak on the Bible. Well, I'm actually kind of sad. We blew our profit trade account yesterday. I knew it was probably imminent because we only had $700 of drawdown in that account. I'm blaming it. I'm blaming it on I traded New York session and my chart colors were different. I'm not gonna lie. Every time I've done it multiple times in the past, I used to have a cotton candy color chart and it was like pink and blue. It looked really cool. But every time I change my chart away from green and red, you can forget about it, buddy. I'm gonna lose. You can just forget about it. Just something about it, man. The green and red candles, they just pay. It's the green and red candles, and that's what I'm blaming it on. They're calming or something about them, you know. You can't deviate away from the green and red candles. Oh yeah, the green and red method here. Oh, we got a double print here pretty much on coffee. So if it starts breaking out of here, bang, we're gonna come down, I feel like. Look at this. This would have played out here on gold if I would have taken this one too. Got this upward line, broke out of there, bang, down. Coming down here to this longer term line on gold. Uh-oh. Here we come, buddy. Is it gonna break down on the NQ? My stock account's gonna be looking rough in the morning. I think it's gonna go down. I'm still short near your last position. Only concern though is it's bouncing off 2300. Oh yeah, that is where it's bouncing, isn't it? Yeah. I'd say you're good until this downward line starts breaking here. If it starts breaking out of this downward line right here, you might be in a pickle. Because it was right here. It was right here. And then it kind of faked out. So then I redrew it. But if it starts breaking out of this newer one right here, might be in trouble. You could hold it until this one, but the safe option would be this one. But you might not like that strategy, so just follow your plan, I guess. Whatever your plan is saying. Man, dude, that is a perfectly drawn line here. I drew that on the 30-minute chart here. Drew that line on the 30-minute chart. I came over here. I said, hey, we got a lot of areas it's bouncing off right here. A lot of bouncing areas here. So I marked down that line. And look, it's playing out. I mean, it looks like I drew it perfectly. It looks like I drew that line pretty perfect. 15-minute trend line down. $15-minute downtrend. Yeah, that's kind of it's gonna be more up here. So yeah. Yeah, it depends on what time frame you're trading on too. I don't pay for I don't pay for trading view, so let's see where this 15-minute range is. That's the 15-minute range. Let me see. London 15-minute high. Yo, thanks Parissa for the sub. Let's go. Thanks Parissa. London 15-minute low. All right, let's see what it does here. Breaking out of that downward line. Oh, bro. Oh, yeah. Look, there it goes. There it goes. Thanks, Parissa. Appreciate it. Let's go. Look at this breaking out here. I could have held this all the way down to here, but did made good money. Didn't want to risk it. Didn't want to risk it. See if it's gonna break out of this 15-minute range right here. Let me make this 2 pixels. Let me make it a different color. Let me make it like that color. All right, there's that 15-minute range. It just broke out of this downward line. Let's see if it's going to continue up here. Kind of looks like it's finding some support there. Looks like a stronger area than, say, something like this where it's just one candle come down. We got multiple candle touches on that area. So may start to kind of come up now. May not. I don't know, but bounced off of that London 15-minute high and came right back down. So let's see what's gonna happen here. It might come down, bang, break out of there a little bit. Gonna come on up some maybe. We got coffee's little indicator right here. Maybe I should have kept these lines here. They might show us some good areas. Coming back down here though. Coming back down here. NQ's been faking out a lot lately. Look at gold. It's trying to break down under this downward, under this upward LOC. Is it gonna do it? Is it gonna break it and start to come down on gold? Good morning, Francis. How's it going? We caught us a nice trade earlier. Look at this. Banked up some money here. Getting some money back from what we lost yesterday in the New York session. Wish I would have just waited till this morning. I'd be up 946 on some fresh accounts, but I got antsy and wanted to play him yesterday, and it bit me right in the behind. It bit me in the behind. There's the My Funded Futures milestone account, 25K. Thought I'd give it a try. Up 522 on that. If we get it up like 1500, we get 750 or something. I don't know. It's some kind of, you can get the live account, you can make money on it. So I figured I'd give it a try. Maybe I'll get to the live account and be able to practice. But if we don't make it, it'll be fine too. Opening my own live account. Gonna practice on that. Yeah, all of these are direct, straight to funded accounts. All of these are straight to funded. I'm using Tradeify. They're my favorite straight to funded right now. Tradeify. But I also just picked up a My Funded Futures. Coming down here now. It's in kind of a range here. We'll just go ahead and adjust this line, I guess. Let me go over here to the 5-minute. Let me, I'll draw one more line. I'll draw one more line right there. And I'll keep that one on there. Yeah. And the next downward line I have is all the way down here. I mean, the next upward line. Got a lot of downward lines though, because we've been coming down. We're gonna break to the downside of this 15-minute range. Patty, let me go check. My Discord, I'm keeping track of it. So far I've made 64,158, but that's not total profits. I've bought way too many accounts, spent a lot of money, but I will say I started from a few accounts, received a payout from them, and then I have never put any more of my own money into the accounts. I've always, after that first payout, I put the money I spent back into my bank account, and then ever since that, I've used that profit to buy more accounts. I've never, the only time I've used my own money was that first initial, those first accounts. Ever since that, I've been playing on house money, trying to catch this one big payout, but I haven't been able to do it yet. I'll make some money for a few payouts. Like I'll get 2 or 3 payouts from a prop firm on some accounts, and then I'll blow them, kind of get into a losing streak, spend a lot of money on more accounts, then finally get some accounts to 2 or 3 payouts, and then make back a little bit, make some money, make a little bit of money. And then the cycle's just been repeating. I can't I don't know. I can't get on a good streak, just like constantly winning. And then when I lose, get a fresh set of accounts and win on those. I always get some accounts, blow them, get some accounts, blow them. And then finally I'll get on a good little streak. Oh yeah, I haven't spent any of the money though. I have all the only thing I spend my money I make from trading on is more accounts. So I have all the money I've made in an account. Yeah, I don't plan on spending any of this money until after I pay taxes. If I do spend it, I probably won't spend it. I don't need to. I don't buy anything. But getting ready to request another 8K payout tomorrow, so that'll help a lot. 8K payout on these accounts right here. And then I should be able to request at least one more from those. Because after that, this drawdown will be at 8,000, 8,000, 8,000. And then this one will be at 2,200. No, 2,300. 2,300. So then I only have to make a little bit to get these to pay out again. So at the very least, I should be receiving 2 more payouts from these accounts, hopefully. Hopefully, if all things go well. Definitely going to be receiving one more, unless I get denied for some weird reason, but requesting a payout tomorrow. Oh yeah, coffee, that's for sure. I'm from Alabama. I'm from Alabama. What's up, Rockino? What's up, buddy? How's it going? I don't know. Yeah, open up a live account with TradeStation, but I think their margins are high, so maybe I should have done it with AMP or Tradeivate. Maybe I should have done it with AMP or Tradeivate. Still waiting on my funds to hit the account. No, buddy. I'm War Eagle. I'm 15 minutes from Auburn. 15 minutes from Auburn here. My girlfriend's an Alabama fan, but not me. Yes, no FOMO. I trade gold too. I trade, look, it's starting to break down a little bit here. About to, oh, there it goes, breaking out of the 15-minute level, going down. What a trade here, though. Golly. Coming down. Let's take a look at gold. There's gold. Had the line there. Bang. Looks like it might be trying to break down here as well. No, I don't say roll tide. That ain't me. I don't say no roll tide. No, not me. Look at their coffee's indicator played out better than our lines. Had the line right there, broke out of it, and started coming down. Yo, we got another subscriber. Appreciate it. Mr. Lopez, let's go. Thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Thanks for the sub. How many subs do we got? We're getting up there on the subscriber list. I'm not gonna lie. Let's go check. Look at there, 794. 6 away from 800. 6 away from 800. Let's go. Look at this little fake out of the 15-minute range. Faked like it was going down. Now it's coming back up. Oh, man. I would take another trade, but nothing really I'm liking here yet. I liked this because it was in an overall downtrend, came up, broke out of that, bang, came down. But right now, I'm not really seeing nothing. Guess you could have probably maybe played something like this, but glad I didn't because it was just ranging. There was a trade on gold, but it was around the same time that I was in my NQ trade. Bang. Looky here, starting to come down on gold. How's it look on the 5-minute? Oh yeah, nicely on the 5-minute. Respecting the line perfectly. Broke below it, respected it, now it's coming down on gold. I'm still testing out YM. I haven't drawn it up today. I haven't drawn it up, but I do want to start trading the YM. I haven't looked at it the past 2 days though. So that's how it's going. I haven't been looking at it, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna draw it up before New York session. I'm gonna draw it up and check it out during the New York session today. All right, I'm gonna take my pictures of my P&L here for the, take some pictures here. Cause I'm about to have to go get this walk in with my mom here in a minute. Let's go ahead and take that picture. Take it over here on the My Funded Futures account. All right. Got those pictures taken. No, I don't really trade ES. I don't even look at ES, I'm not gonna lie. I got it here, but I don't look at it. I don't know. I'd rather trade NQ and the YM than ES. How do you limit losers? I am still working on that. Not gonna lie to you. But this is how I'm supposed to limit my losers. I'm still working on it because I'm stubborn and hard-headed. But let me show you how I'm supposed to. So right here, when I entered this trade, I entered it on the break of this line, and my stop was supposed to be, my stop is supposed to be when it starts breaking and closing above these downward lines. That's where my stop out is. So as these lines start coming down here, my stop gets tighter and tighter, tighter and tighter as the lines come down to where eventually over here it'd be at break even, and then as they come down, my stops get tighter and tighter. So that's how it's supposed to be. But I still have trouble. I do not want to close a losing trade a lot of the times. But technically this one would have been right there. So then I would have closed the trade. I could have either closed it right in here or over in here, because that's technically where my line would have been at. So I still would have closed it about the same spot as I got out. Would have closed it somewhere over in here or up in here if I was just holding for as long as I could. Or I could have even gotten out right here before that, because I would have taken a profit at a key level, and that's my line right there. That's right, Knight. You got it there. Yeah, but this is mine. Got like a safety line, and that's supposed to be where I'm take the stop. But sometimes I just don't want to do it. I'm not gonna lie. But to be a good profitable trader, you need to manage your losers. So working on that every day. And I think what helps with that also, what helps with being able to take a loser is not over leveraging, not oversizing. Because if you oversize and you're down a bunch, you don't want to close the trade. But if you're sized right and you're only down in your mind what is a little bit of money, then you'll be okay with closing it. Or at least that's the key with me. If I'm oversized, I will not want to close a losing trade. But if I'm sized, if I have a pretty small position, then I'll be fine with closing a losing trade. We got 794 subscribers. Let's go, man. We're getting there. We'll do a big old giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. Do a big old giveaway. I'll give away some accounts. I'll give away some accounts when I get to 1,000 subscribers. I'll stop pinching my money and I'll give away some accounts. I don't know who I want to give away some accounts with. Hey, how long have you been trading? I've been trading since 2018, but I'll say that was kind of like off and on with Forex and stuff. And then this year is when I really started trading every single day. With Forex, I would trade and try to trade those Forex prop firm accounts and a live account. And I would have weeks where I did good, and then I would lose a bunch. So then I'd have to take a break. But yeah, since 2018. But this year is when I started making money, and hopefully we can keep it that way. Started making money this year, and hopefully we can just keep the good times rolling. But yeah. But I'm about to have to go get this walk in. So make sure you join the Discord and let me know how you do down below. We'd like to hang out in there and talk during the New York session and stuff. Chat it up, and we can all just hang out and have a good time in there. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the stream. Took one trade on stream. You held it, you got paid, and yeah, a good trade there. But hope everybody has a good day, and enjoy this Halloween song. Happy Halloween. Hope everybody stays safe tonight, and I appreciate you for hanging out. I'll see you. Peace.
Charts looking spooky, candles doing witchcraft, NASDAQ waving at me, specter in the riffraff. Gold got the treasure buried deep like a tomb, market makers lurking, shadows in the dark room. Fear of liquidation got me sweating nightly chills, margin calls echo like echoes in the hills. Screens glow, eerie numbers on a dark stage. I'm trying to make a living, break out of this cage. Trades by slate, hard in the tickers, every move precise like nighttime tricksters. Wind stack tall amidst the twilight fade. Trades by slate, ghostly serenade. Watch them candles bleed like fangs in the mist. Intraday terror, every trade's a twist. Market ghouls whisper, trying to snatch my soul, but I'm steady on the grind, pockets full of gold. Creeping through the charts, shadows in disguise, haunted by the graphs, fear in my eyes. Every trade a thriller, heartbeats, quick pace, victory in sight, I ain't falling from grace. Trades by slate, hard in the tickers, every move precise like nighttime